Right, let's have a go at 5. Y equals sin x cos x. Again, it's u times v. Product, simple product. Both of these are standard derivatives, so we can just use a product rule. So let's draw our grid. We've labelled u and v straight away without even thinking because it's a simple product. U can be the first part of the product, v is the second part. Cos x, u is sin x, v is cos x. So du dx then. Sin differentiates the cos, doesn't it, on the table. And dv dx, cos goes to minus sin x. There we are. Great. That's that done. So now we write down the answer then. So dy dx equals u dv dx. So sin x times minus sin x plus v du dx, which is plus cos x times cos x. There we are. And it's customary to write the positive term first. Like if I had minus 4 plus 5. Oh, sorry about that. Let me just write that again. I'll just put it up here, say. Yeah. If I had minus 4 plus 5, that's nicer to look at as 5 minus 4, isn't it? Yeah? Would you agree? Both the same thing. They're both equal to 1. But that looks so much easier, more easy to understand than that. Easier on the eye, really. So with that in mind then, I'm going to do the same thing below. See, this is the minus and this is the plus. So let's write the cos one first then. We'll have cos squared, which we can write as cos squared x, minus, and then we've got sine times sine, which is sine squared x. Just one little point to mention as well, I think, while we're at it. So that's the final answer. There we go. But cos squared, that's the shorthand, really, because what we really mean when we say cos squared is we mean what we said in the line above. It's cos x times cos x. That's cos squared. But customarily on a calculator, or generally speaking in maths, we use this to represent that. We just write cos squared like that. It's just for convenience sake. Now, please don't get confused with something entirely different, which is cos of x squared. So we're talking about cos x squared, which we write as cos squared x. And that's what we mean. When we write this, we actually mean this, really, more formally speaking. Sorry, that's just gone off the page there. And then, but this is cos of x squared, which is different from cos x squared. Yeah? So we're not dealing with this at all. So forget about that entirely. That's gone. This is what we're talking about in the context of this discussion. Okay then, so we got our answer. Let's move on to the next question then. Great.